Hi everybody, welcome to the Sing Way, where we go over step by step on how to use Excel. Please like and subscribe if you want more of this information. Today we're going to go over the find function right here. I have some text right here with a dash, another dash. This phone number has multiple dashes, so we're only going to pull back the first three characters since it hits the first dash. Everything to the left of that. Same thing with the social number and same thing with the decimals. Here's the syntax right here. We're going to go over it real quickly. It equals to start a function. You type in left, open parentheses. You select the text you want. In this case, it's going to be subscribe and B7, comma, find. What do we want to find? In this case, we want the dash, but it can be anything, a parentheses, a tilde, a period, what have you. Open the parentheses to start the function. In quotes, what are we going to find? We're going to find a dash. Close it. Within text, again, you're going to select this right here, B7, the text you want. Close parentheses, -1, close. Since it's all on a table, if I hit enter, it's just going to grab everything in that table. So in this case, you can see the subscribe is the expected value. Everything to the left, the Sing Way, same thing. Take everything to the left, 555. And this application can be applied to the right function if I want to take everything right of the decimal. I wanted these three mid characters with the bold. It would work also. Different applications can be applied. So that is the find function, and it can be applied to a lot of different things. One useful note is that there is a trim option in case there are spaces around it. You could add a trim. And the newer versions have this combined with the text before and text after, so you don't have to use the find function. Please, thank you very much. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.